Alright guys, here's what sucks about the F90. First thing I noticed, it's almost impossible to get this USB cable in. So I trimmed my mini USB cable down to fit in between the ducts. Secondly, the props like to fly off. I think this is caused by the fact that the propellers can't be pushed fully down onto the shaft. If you push them down onto the shaft, they end up hitting these screw nubs. I believe it works to just nip off the end of the nub. You can see the tip of the screw is down there, so the nub is taller than the screw is. I don't think there'll be a problem nipping off the end of the nub. The battery connector just barely fits. They give you no slack. I believe we can remedy that by trimming back this heat shrink a little bit. There. That gets us some more play. I'm gonna pull the canopy and reroute this antenna through the bigger hole. It's through this little side hole like this one here. And I feel in a bad landing, I could really bend this and stress this wire and maybe even break it. That is the other annoying thing about the F90. This is a fully charged battery, fresh off the charger. I've tried changing the beeper settings. The beeper setting is not on right now. These ducts are also very flexible. I'd like them to be a little bit more rigid, and so is the frame. Frame's a little bit too flexible in my opinion. I'm sure there's a stiffener though. guys like this video, make sure to give me a like and a subscribe. And check out some of my other videos.